Ready to rev up your online presence and build a Google-dominating auto-review blog with WordPress? First, you'll need a domain name that reflects your focus on auto reviews, like AutoReviewWecom or similar. And WordPress hosting, choose a reliable provider to ensure your blog stays online and runs smoothly. Once you have set up your hosting, install WordPress and choose a theme that is clean, responsive, and optimized for blogging. Look for themes specifically designed for review sites. Now, let's dive into keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find popular search terms related to car reviews, like Best SUVs 2024 or Toyota Camry reliability. Next, create high-quality, in-depth auto reviews. Focus on providing detailed information, including performance, features, pros, and cons. Use your targeted keywords naturally within your content. Optimize each review for search engines. This includes writing compelling title tags and meta descriptions, using header tags to structure your content, and adding internal and external links. Integrate Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your blog's performance. Track your traffic, keyword rankings, and any technical issues to continually improve your SEO strategy. Create a content calendar to plan your reviews and keep your blog updated. Diversify your content with different vehicle types and news. Monetize your blog through advertising or affiliate marketing. Consider Google AdSense or partnering with automotive companies. Promote your reviews on social media platforms and engage with your audience to build a community around your blog. By consistently implementing these steps, you can build a Google-friendly auto-review blog that attracts readers and generates revenue. Now, go build the car review blog of your dreams.